What up? Today we're in the workshop. We've got a couple of bikes here we've picked up off the Facebook. The goal is for these two, strip them all out, paint them all up, make them all fancy foulard, bit of a magic touch. Most of you probably don't know this, but I was a bicycle mechanic for quite a few years when I was younger. And growing up, I even ran a bicycle store. So we're going to go through these two bikes, pull them completely apart, strip all the paint off them, find out all the good parts on them, re-grease everything, pretty much make them brand new second-hand, give them a full smicked up paint job. We're going to start with the bike that's already on the rack. Probably going to turn it around, make it a bit easier to work on. Let's get started. Should start with probably whipping the wheels off. Probably get a zip tie or something for all of these. Sweet. It's easier to find them all together. I think the kids are coming. What do you want?
What bikes are you taking, Dad?
Pulling these ones apart.
Are you making a new bike?
Well, that was a lot easier than expected. Alright, gotta get the bearings out. Got it. Sweet. Here's one bike completely stripped out. We've got a box of gears down the bottom here on the floor. Box of gears, wheels. Alright, on to the next one. Let's strip her down. Wow, that one wasn't even done up. It's a good reason if you ever buy a bike second hand, you should probably go over it and check it. You never know what you'll find. And just like that, we have got another frame, another box, another wheel set. We're ready for stripping. Spray it all up, see how it goes, man. They're all sprayed up. They're all starting to crackle away. I've had the frames and the forks and the bars just sitting around. I just sprayed them up and went outside and had dinner and did the kids thing, you know. No way. Look at that. Just rub it off. Rub it off. And it's like right back to gleaming clean. Well, it will be. Well, we're going to get the scraper with a little, maybe some steelos and rub them all back. I'm quite excited about this. This is way easier than on the steel wheel, trying to take all the paint off, getting all the nooks and crannies. You sick. Alright, well, we'll get to it. I'll get you all set up and we'll have a bit of a... Sweet as. Both sides, we just got to do a second coat, so back onto the rest of them. I'll do all of them off cameras because it's a lot of all the same as what you just seen. Oh, and just like that for you guys, they're all somewhat cleaned up. This one here, the clear coat was really protecting the paint. We'll lay them all out again, give them another spray up. Oh well, look at that, it's all second coated. All having a bit of a fubbly bubbly. Oh, are you focusing? There you go, look. So we'll just go have a wait. Go have a bit of a sit down for 5 or 10 minutes, maybe 15. Come back, probably get all the rest of that off, and they probably will look fancy foulard ready for a paint job. Beautiful. There is all the colour taken out of the frames, forks and bars. I am pretty stoked how they turned out. We'll give this a little bit of a light sand up, and we'll tape up anything we don't want painted, like the brake mounts, because we can't take these ones off. Tape up little holes so paint doesn't get in there, because that'll change the size by ever so slightly and we won't be able to fit anything back in there. So we'll just tape it all up. We'll quickly do that. Fancy dancy painter's tape. All taped up, not too much taping. A little bit of a fiddly job, but we got it done nicely. A little bit of sandpaper, sanding, just, you know, make it nice and smooth to the touch. Just from any cruddy bits, scraping it with the scraper and any potential little bits on there, we can just sand it flat so the finished coat looks nice. Looks heaps fancy, Fula. Oh, awesome! That's everything ready. I'm gonna go grab some colours. It's pretty empty, so I'll start with the purple. I'll shake it. They don't have any stickers on them anymore. Which one's what? Pretty sure. Pretty sure this is the GT. Must be. Uh-oh. Oh well. This one's going to be green. That one there is going to be purple. Maybe the other way around. Oh well, you'll find out soon. Let's spray paint! Woo! Hard wearing and fast drying, it reckons. Oh, well, there's the green. The green one. It's quite bright. It'll look good when it's finished, don't you worry. What I might do is quickly put this frame somewhere to hang, grab the next one, purple. Oh, let's grab the purple. Oh, sweet. The purple looks pretty cool, really. Both of these colours with I actually painted my last two bikes that I have at the moment in that colour. I mixed up some clear coat. I've sort of translucened it with clear coat and a bit of purple on my one. Looks quite cool. I do like it. Where's the wheel? Oh. Oh, this one matches mean. Oh, that looks mean. I might have to go buy another green. A darker one. But we'll see. We'll take it all out into the light tomorrow. Yeah, that's just first coats. I gotta wait for it to dry. Give it another sand up. We'll be back. Woohoo! Let's see if it's all dry. Ooh! We can touch it. Ooh. What the hell? It's really weird. Some of it's wet. Hang on, I'm going to swap hands. It's still like sticky. Why is it sticky? Don't tell me it's because I didn't actually degrease it, I just wiped them all down. That's really not ideal. What have I done? It's been 24 hours since I've painted this stuff. Like there's still like it's just wet. It's like fully tacky. We'll be back. I'll let you know what's happened. Oh, I'm proper devoed. Like I've been playing around with this here and it's just a full fail on my behalf. I've used strip off paint cleaner and just left it and never actually wiped the steel down with any even water or any degreaser, and then I just painted over it, and then as I've gone away and come back 24 hours later, it's just had 24 hours worth of reacting rather than drying. Hooray! Let's start again. Forget we've shown you anything at all. Who wants to watch all of that again? This is a bit of a test there. I'll get onto the thinner soon. I've just been using a bit of mess because it was just right there with the rag. You just put a bit of mess on, it just wipes off. So, yep, 100% my fault. So I'll give it all a wipe down. We'll give it all a wipe down because we didn't wipe it down in the first place. There you have it. There's a clean one. There's a coloured one. Man, you can even just tell. Look how puddly that is. I can't believe I did that. I'm going to take all the paint off everything I did last night. And we'll start again probably tomorrow night. Just like that. Mental note, if you ever use any spray paint remover, clean it off before you put the paint on. We're ready to rehang and have another go. So last night, quickly smashed it all out. Camera died, went flat, so yeah, I got it all painted again. It's all back up. But one thing I did notice was the green that I did have was not really the same, so I just quickly popped off to the shop, and got a bit more of a somewhat closer colour. It's dry. I got clean hands. Oh, yes! All that work last night sort of paid off, so now we just got to give it all a sand like we were going to. Give it another respray. Woohoo! Oh, that is everything. Giving it a quick buff down. So that green will be darker next time you see it. Do another coat of purple. Another coat of black on the bars and forks. And then we'll bust out some clear coat.
Botanic green gloss. Ooh, very fancy.
I think it's going to be a way better colour match. Yep. Darker frame with a slightly lighter shiny wheel. We can't see. I'll leave you over there. We're going to carry on. That's it! Ooh, he's humming in here. Today I clear coated everything just because it all is the same when you're going psh, 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 and it all just looks the same. So all the parts are all clear coated, nice and fancy, looking good, looking good. So yeah, as I've been editing, I've realised how long this video was while we're waiting for this to dry over the night. I'm going to quickly finish this edit up with this clip here. So in the next one, we'll put the whole bike together and they'll be brand new looking bikes. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.